So if you're just starting out and your beats are like messy, muddy, not having that space, not sounding really professional yet, so I'm going to be showing you this amazing bundle from Sonible, which is the Len Bundle. Comprises of an EQ, a compressor, a limiter, an Unmask plugin which serves as a sidechaining plugin, and also the Len Reverb plugin. So without wasting time, let's just go right into our DAW. I have these beats. Most times when mixing my beat, I just use the EQ because EQ is what just creates space for other instruments where they need to shine. You know, the EQ, you could use the EQ to just cut out and carve out spaces for other instruments. So the first one we're going to be looking at is the Len EQ, and I'm going to be applying it on this sound. For example, I'm going to show you a use cases of these various plugins. So we have this pad right now. So if you're just starting out, you might not know how to use your EQ to actually carve out sound, right? So I'm going to be loading the Len EQ. So all I just need to do with this plugin is just come over here and make a selection. So they have various selections. They have the bass, the drum, the guitar, the keys, the speech, the synth. So in this case, this falls under the synth. So I'm going to select the synth. And all I just need to do is hit on this record button and play my audio. So the AI is going to listen to the, you know, what's being played and create an EQ curve. It feels, makes that instrument sound better. So in this case, it has finished analyzing and you can see it has created an EQ curve. I could still decide to, you know, work on the EQ curve if I want to. But yep, it has created something, and I'm just gonna preview the before and after so you could hear what it has done to the synth and tell me which you prefer. So I have this is with the plugin turned on, and this is without. This is with it. This without. So I think I prefer it with the plugin. So you can see, instead of me thinking about which curve, where should I cut, this plugin has already done it for me. And you have different presets we could pick from. They have the warm, and they say choosing the warm flavor changes the settings of all character slider toward a warm sound. Just like the name, it has the neutral, it has the bright. So let's see it with the bright. You have this. But I think for me, I prefer the neutral, just keeping it neutral. And I could just bring this down. So EQ might be confusing to you, but just loading this and letting the AI do the whole thing for you, you can then see the curve and know, okay, I felt like, okay, it needed this cut in this mid region, needed a little bit around the high mid region, and cutting out some low end. So it just shows you what you are supposed to do without even you cracking your head about it, which is amazing. So the next one we're going to be looking at is the compressor. Compressor is a very complex thing to understand, because I remember when I started learning how to mix, the compression was a very difficult thing, because you know, you're going to hear people say, okay, the attack, the release, the sustain, the threshold, you know, learning all those things are good, but if there's a faster way to do it, why won't you just try that route? So I'm going to be using the Len compressor. I'm just going to load in the Len compression. And this works the same way as the EQ. All I just need to do is select the particular sound. So I can come here, and if for any reason none of this preset here is the particular sound you are using, like it's not drums, it's not kick, it's not snare, you could just select the universal. But in this case, I think I'm gonna pick the keys because this falls under the keys. I'm just gonna hit on the record and play the sample. Yeah, so it has finished analyzing. So we can hit on. So you can see the compression is applying on the sample. So let's just play it. So you feel like it's not really doing much, you can increase it, but you're going to hear this more in vocal. So I'm going to do another video. I'm going to show you this compression applied on the vocal. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to select this region and try to consolidate it, because you know, basically what compression does is just trying to bring the low signal up to a level and the higher signal down to that level. Try balancing it to sound leveled. You can see how the compression has been applied. You can see this signal that was low is almost the same level with this. So I could then come over here if I want a soft compression, and whenever you hover, it just shows you what that particular preset is doing. So when I come over to the soft, it shows what that does. Come over to the neutral, come over to the hard, and with this knob I can control the amount of compression. So let's play that sample. So if I want a more compression, you can see I could just increase this. If I want a slight compression, so this is the only knob now I just need to control. So if you want more control, you can come over to the advanced tab and you could, play around the threshold. Yeah, but just the assisted mode does the job amazingly well. So the next one we're going to be looking at is the Len Unmask, which is what I've been using for my sidechain. So most times you sidechain your kick and your bass because when two sounds are in the same frequency, there's a tendency for them to clash. But sidechaining those frequencies give room for one to shine over the other. So in this case, when you're sidechaining your kick and your bass, whenever the kick and the bass hit at the same time, the bass just goes down a little bit for the kick to shine more. So in this case now, I have my kick and my bass playing at the same frequency. And most times they play at the same time, like in this region. Just the same way you're going to use your normal fruity limiter to do your sidechain, which is the normal way I've taught you guys. This time around, we're going to be using the Len Unmask. So this is my kick, this is my bass. All I just need to do is come over and just right click here and sidechain to my bass. And then the next thing, I come over to my bass and load in the Len Unmask plugin. I'm just going to select my kick here. So it's whatever sound you have sidechained to it, you are going to select. So I'm selecting my kick here because it's the kick that is sidechained to it. All I just need to do is come over to this settings, the processing, and under this sidechain in, I'm just going to select one. Then I'm just going to go back, and all I just need to do is hit on this record and hit on play. So it's going to listen, the AI is going to listen to those frequencies and try to do this sidechain for me. So you can see it has finished, it has done it for us. So this is the level I just need. If I want more on mask, I'm just gonna hit that. So you can see it has generated. So increasing the intensity generates more space. I don't think I need more of that. Just about 50% is fine. So you can see how we've just sidechained that, the kick and the bass. So you can see whenever the kick hits, the bass just goes down, creating more room for the kick to shine. So you can see whenever the kick hits, the bass goes down. And now we're going to be looking at the Len Reverb. So this vocal right here, I want to add some reverb to it. So I'm just going to load in the Len Reverb. I'm just going to select the vocal preset, come over and hit on the record and just hit on play. So yeah, I can then increase the size of the room, then increase the mix. So without it, so you don't need to think about your reverb anymore. Just load it, select from the presets, and just hit on record, and it's gonna work with whatever sample you have given it. Sounds amazing, right? Then the next on the list is the Len limiter. So most times when you want your beats to be very, very loud, you add in a limiter. So in this case, I'm just gonna load it, go to my master and load up the Len limiter. So I'm just gonna come over here and select let's just go with universal, because I don't think I can say like an afro. I'm just gonna hit on the record and just play. Yeah, so you can see how loud this is already. So I have different presets. I have the modern. So let's see the modern, what this does. We have the hard. Let's see the hard. So I think for this my beats, I think I will go with the hard presets. Let's just take this and let's see. So without it. So without it, with it. Damn, that's so hard. So guys, this is the Len Bundle from Sonible, which is just gonna make mixing really easy. So I'm gonna urge you guys, in case you're just starting out and you're struggling with learning how all these things work, trust me, it's actually good to learn how the EQ works, how compression works and all, but there are times whereby you just need to get the job done as soon as possible, and this bundle is gonna help you with that in no time. So in case you want to try it out, I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video. All you just need to do is head up to Sonible and go try out this bundle and other amazing bundles they have there. So if you love these videos and you like to see more videos, make sure you are subscribed to the channel, turn on the bell notification so you definitely get notified when next I post. Peace out.